Hello guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enter the safe mode in our Windows 11 devices and how can we go back to normal mode from entering into a safe mode in our Windows 11 devices. Okay, so let's get into the process, and the first thing we need to do is to open the run window, and we can do that by simply pressing Windows R key altogether here in our keyboard, or just by making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on run button here. So once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just type ms config. It's ms config. It's msconfig, and then click on enter or OK. And then this system configuration tab or window will be up on our screen. Okay, so safe mode is a Microsoft diagnostic mode in many troubleshooting steps. With networking, it will be very helpful and it will be very useful or crucial during the process. Okay, so here in this window, let's go to the boot tab, and you will see under boot tab we have boot options, the safe boot, the no GUI boot, the boot log, the base view, and the OS boot information. So all we need to do here to enter into the safe mode is to just select or check the safe boot option here, and then instead of minimal, let's go to the network option, and then once done, let's now click on apply and then click on OK, and then this will ask you to do a restart with your device. So just make a quick restart, and then you will be entering safe mode once you do a restart. Okay, and how can you go back to normal mode when you're in the safe mode with networking? So let me show you the process on how to do that. Let's just exit this one. So again, let's go with the same process. Let's go to the run window by pressing Windows R key all together, and here we need to type again msconfig and type enter, OK, and then just wait for the system configuration to be up on your screen. So here, let's go again with the boot tab, and here we need to uncheck this safe boot option here, and no need to select minimal, because once you uncheck this one, the network option will not be selected. And then once done unselecting the safe boot option, let's go click on apply and then click on OK, and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you'll be entering the normal mode again. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.